Hiya guys, welcome back to today's video. So this one's just a quick little update video to explain where we're at the minute because it's not what we had intended to upload due to technical difficulties. So we're just going to give a quick explanation as to where we're at with the van build now.
Yeah, so like Laura said, we had a few problems. We'd recorded loads of footage, we'd insulated the floor, obviously we'd built the seats, we'd cut a hole in the bulkhead, fastened the bulkhead in, got lights in, coloured lights behind, and then I managed to lose the footage when I was transferring it from my phone to the computer. And I went back to my phone and found I'd already deleted it when I transferred it from my phone. So that was all gone. So today we're just doing this quick video, just letting you know where we're at.
So we insulated the floor. So what we did to insulate the floor was we put down battens, little planks of wood along the floor, which were then put in with screws.
Soft tapping screws, yes.
And I think you may have used some glue. Was that when you did the little bit
No more
along
nails,
the door?
it was.
Yeah,
no more nails.
because we couldn't quite work out how to screw that in. So we thought may as well just try and use some no more nails, and it seems to have worked. So
just for the record, there is 2 or 3 screws in there as well.
Yeah.
Once you get them in after.
Yeah, with the help of Robert's dad. And then we put down the silver foil insulation. Was it the thick stuff we used, or was it the
We used the
bubble
polystyrene
stuff?
boards first, the rigid
Oh
polystyrene
yes, the
boards
polystyrene
first.
boards we used, and then we put down the silver bubble foil backed insulation, and then we put the silver foil tape over the joins.
Yeah, and then we were going to replace the plywood initially, but when we took the plywood off the floor, it was actually in good condition, plus we're going to cover the floor anyway, so we've just put the old plywood back onto the floor, fastened it into place with some fresh screws into the battens. From there, as you can see, we've built some seats. It was just a simple timber frame on each side around the wheel arch. Obviously I've boarded it in with OSB board. We've got lats on the side, and these lift up as well, so for storage underneath. In the middle we've got a board that goes in, makes a small double bed. Thankfully me and Laura are only little, so we can sleep side to side, and it's 4 foot width. It's not that far off the bed that we've got in the house, so we'll manage. After that, we've got the lights. We've put lights in at the back doors here, looking in. Just behind me, we've also got lights. I don't know how well these will show up on the... I'll turn these ones off. Well, those multicoloured lights there, just to give it a bit more jazz.
Pizzazz.
Yeah. Turn those back on now because I don't like the multicoloured lights. And then in what earlier video we said we're going to get rid of the bulkhead, we decided to put it back in, and we've instead cut a hole in the bulkhead just so we can see through using a rear view mirror when we're driving, and then close a curtain, and we've got a security guard coming checking out what we're doing. That's the security guard gone. So yeah, we decided instead of getting rid of the whole bulkhead like was our original plan, we'll cut a hole in it, obviously to see through the back, but it gives us a solid structure to be able to fasten the unit to. Obviously it gives us the wall and then the bulkhead, so a unit will be solid there and obviously to the floor. So I think that's probably about it for today. Like I said, it was just a little quick catch up. If you've liked our videos so far, if you can please give them a thumbs up. Again, if you've liked them, if you'd please consider subscribing, that would help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. For some reason it likes and it would help our channel grow a bit. So that's it for now. So we'll say goodbye.
Bye. So thanks for watching Our Van, Our Way.